Hey, buddy, what's up? Yeah, I think a cabin weekend's such a great idea. Let's get on the wake surf, do some boating. I think the weather's supposed to be nice.
Can I come?
Morgan, just give me a second. I have some steaks we could barbecue.
I like steak.
Ooh, red wine's a great idea. Yeah, bring some of that.
I like wine. Luke.
You have a new puppy.
Luke. Who is it?
No way.
Lucas.
Bring him along. You have to. Morgan, just give me a second.
Who has a puppy?
Yeah, we can play some spike ball. I'm so down for that. That's a bit of an odd choice. I mean, I guess we could listen to Ariana Grande the whole time.
Who are you talking to?
That's a,
Are you filming me? Lucas!